guys and gals, welcome to another episode of Gearheadgirl, where today we will be testing the new Garmin Catalyst here at Bruce McLaren Motorsports Park. Alright guys and gals, so we're here, we're all set up, getting ready to go. Gonna have driver's meeting and then go out for our first session with the new Garmin Catalyst. So we've done the first lap. You can see here's opportunity 1. It'll show you, you guys can tell the difference there. There's a purple and a white. You want to go with the optimal line there, and it shows you different opportunities where you can make up the most time. And it'll also, you can go over braking, apex, speed, things like that, and it'll show you. And you can add them to the race coach, so next time you're out there, if you have Bluetooth headphones, it can coach you through those spots as well. So you can see. Best lap, optimal lap is 149, so you should be able to get 149. And that's a replay. So you can see here in this session we got 6 laps. First few laps pretty slow, getting through traffic, not really pushing it, letting everything warm up. And then so best lap for this session was a 150, but if I did everything as well as I could have, it would have been 149. So that sets our goals for the next session. Definitely hit into the 140s. This is already really cool because this is actually the fastest I've ever been around this track in this car. We have made a lot of modifications and different circumstances, but I'm already very, very happy with this. Went out for the second session, dropped time, and now we have a missing video, apparently. The video kind of comes in and out. You can see it's still playing and it still had the data, but we don't have video. So you got it for a little bit there, you've got video. And then it drops out for the rest of it, so I'm not sure what's going on with that, but that doesn't help with data review, does it? So we've checked the wires to make sure there's no loose cables or anything like that. Everything seems pretty snug. This is the first time we've used this. This is the second session we've done. So, second session, we made the optimal lap last time. I made as my best time this time, and now it's telling me my new optimal lap is 147.69, so we'll go out and try to achieve that next session. So far so good, dropping lap times, going well. A little bit confused as to why the video was missing for the optimal lap on the second session, but hopefully we'll get that sorted out. So according to Garmin's site, we've checked that everything's plugged in well up here with the camera and the cord. You got to use your long data or the long camera cable cord. We've also checked the SD card It's a brand new SD card and it's pretty decent quality, so hopefully that's all good as well, and hopefully we won't have any more issues. Alright guys and gals, so we are here at Bruce McLaren Motorsports Park with the new Garmin Catalyst. We are going to be going out for session 3. I've been dropping time, it's been really good, it's been pretty cool. We've had a little bit of a technical difficulty with some missing video, but other than that it's been pretty sweet. So you can see here, the Garmin Catalyst, it's really handy and coaches you all along the way. So you can see here, it's super easy to put up, it's just magnetic, grabs on just like that. So when you're ready, you just hit drive. We are Bruce McLaren, International Circuit. And we're running on semi-slicks with low boost. Check the camera alignment. That's nice. Good. Sweet. And then we just hit start and we'll be ready to go. Alright, so we went out for another session and we have missing video for this session as well. We've taken out the memory card at this point, so now we're just relying on the 32 gig. We've checked all the cords and cables again. And we can go back here. See, we've got 3 sessions. Here's the latest. And you go to view segment. So there's no even video available. We're checking cigarette port lighter. We're using all the approved wires and plugs, trying to figure out what is going on and why we're missing video. We've taken out the memory card now and we'll try it again. So it was our last session. I took out the memory card, checked all the cables, and we still have missing video. I'm not exactly thrilled with this right now, so we'll have to figure that out. It must be some sort of power issue, I assume. We're using all the cables. We've been through all the troubleshooting, taken out the memory card. Not sure what's going on. But other than that, it was really helpful. I dropped times every session I've used it, so it is a good device, but it really needs to be functioning a little bit better than this. So if you guys have suggestions, if you have a Garmin Catalyst, maybe if you've experienced similar, comment below and let us know what your solutions were. We're thinking maybe we try to hardwire this in. Maybe it's a loose connection somewhere in here. Something's wrong with the cable, we don't know why the camera's dropping out the way it is, but that's just not going to work. Alright, so there's the missing video there. The camera's still green and functional. Not sure what's up. Alright guys and gals, well, summary of the day. Good news is with the Garmin Catalyst I was able to see that I did in fact drop lap times. That was really good. So as far as the review of the Garmin, alright guys and gals, thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you guys back for the next one. See ya!